Right, today I'm making some gesso. The only two ingredients you need is some rabbit skin glue. I'll leave a link at the end of the video if you don't know how to make rabbit skin glue, and some whiting, which is chalk. You need really fine whiting. It's sometimes called gilders whiting. If you get it coarser than this, it doesn't make good gesso. The glue I'm using is an 8:1 mix. At the moment it's just come out of the fridge, so it's a jelly. I'm just going to melt that down and then we'll start making the gesso. Right, there we go. That's all melted. Now I've just used a microwave for that. The one thing you really have to be careful of is not letting this glue go over 60 degrees C, because you'll ruin it. If you do go over that, throw it away, start again. It's always worth having one of these little thermometers that you can just stick in there just to double check. Right, so first, now the ratio. I don't know how much glue you're going to be making, so I've worked out a ratio for you. If you get a container, same container, zero your scales, that's at 46 degrees, so that's fine. So yes, zero your scales. So I'm just weighing the glue now, the pot's out of the equation. That's 270 times 1.2 gives you 324 is the amount of whiting I need to add to this. So whatever your glue weight is, just times it by 1.2 and you'll get the right amount of whiting. So I'm going to zero this again. I'm going to get a sieve and add the correct amount. Right, so that is my 324. I'm just going to get a spoon, gently stir this in. I'm trying to avoid getting too many air bubbles in this. So, another sieve with a piece of muslin in. Now this really strains any tiny little bits that you might have in the glue. Not all the glue granules dissolve properly, so it's always best to strain those out. Now I'm getting a brush and I'm just going to force that through, but gently. I'm stirring, but don't whisk this because you're going to be adding too many air bubbles. It'll very slowly come through. You don't have to use muslin, you could use, I know some people use tights. Right, there we go. It should be like single cream. When you put your brush in here, there should be some resistance. And that's ready to go. Now I keep this in an airtight container in the fridge, and that'll last for about 2 weeks. If it starts to smell, the glue is going off and you can't use it, so throw it away. I'm going to be using this right away. I'm going to be putting some on this frame. So that's how you make gesso.